Are you struggling to understand the complete geometry of your 3D model in a drawing view? Many internal features remain hidden in standard views, making it hard to interpret the design accurately. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to use the removed section view in SolidWorks to reveal hidden details and fully understand your model like never before. Plus I will share a pro tip to make your section view even more precise. So let's get started. A removed section in SolidWorks Drawing is a type of section view that is placed away from the cutting plane rather than aligned with it. It helps in displaying internal features of a part without breaking the overall drawing layout. In the default drawing view, you may not fully understand the complete geometry of the 3D model because many internal features are not visible. However, by creating a removed section view, you can clearly see the internal geometry and better understand the entire model. To create a removed section view, go to the Drawing tab and select the Removed Section tool. Next, select two edges of the model view and place the cutting line at a suitable location. Click to confirm the cutting line, then click again to place the removed section view in the drawing. Now you can clearly see the internal geometry of the 3D model. You can repeat this process to create additional section views for a more detailed understanding. Now let me show you the 3D model so you can fully visualize the power of the removed section view. Here is a pro tip for creating a removed section view when dealing with aligned edges. First, select the Remove Section option and choose two edges of the model view. You may notice that the cutting line is not in a vertical position. To fix this, select the Manual option in the Cutting Line Placement settings. Then select 2 points on the edges so the cutting line aligns vertically. Finally, place the section view in a suitable location on the drawing sheet. This is pro tip. Ensure that the cutting line is perfectly vertical for better accuracy in the section views. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more SolidWorks tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question or topics you would like me to cover the next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.